Hello and welcome to the 3D modeling and rendering course with Blender. This course is designed to guide you step by step in creating a sideboard and is perfect both for those approaching Blender for the first time and for those who already have some experience and want to refine their skills. We will start from a reference image created with artificial intelligence and transform it into a complete professional 3D model. Here's what you'll find in the course. Module 1. Modeling the sideboard, we will begin with the basic structure and details using clear techniques accessible to everyone. Each lesson will be a building block that will help you master modeling. Module 2. Studio rendering. I will teach you how to light and present your model with a professional lighting setup on a white background, just like a real photo shoot. The goal? To highlight and enhance a piece of furniture. Module 3. Contextual rendering. Finally, we will see how to place the mesh in a realistic environment, recreating the atmosphere of the reference image. We will enhance the scene with furnishing details and settings that highlight the harmony and elegance of the model. Thanks to the power of Blender, you will learn how to precisely replicate the original image and create renderings that are truly impressive. I will share with you practical tips and tricks to speed up your workflow and improve the final result. You will also have access to all the necessary resources, working files, materials, and lesson transcripts. Are you ready to begin this exciting journey into the world of 3D modeling? I'll see you in the first module.